Hi everyone, I am Subba Raju Sir from Coding Masters. Are you learning data science but wondering how to get placed in a top company? If you are serious about starting your career in data science, this video is for you. Many students learn Python, SQL, machine learning, Power BI and other data science technologies. But when placement opportunities arrive, they struggle with aptitude tests, coding rounds, technical interviews, project discussions, and HR interviews. Having technical knowledge alone is not enough. Companies expect candidates to be job ready. That's why we have designed a comprehensive data science placement preparation program at Coding Masters. Our focus is to help students prepare for every stage of the placement process, from resume building and aptitude preparation to coding practice, technical interview preparation, project presentation, mock interviews, and HR interview guidance. You will understand what companies expect from data science candidates. This preparation helps you improve your problem-solving skills, communication, confidence, interview performance, and overall placement readiness. You will gain practical insights into real hiring processes and learn how to present your skills professionally in front of recruiters. Our goal is to help you become confident, industry ready, and prepared for placement opportunities. If you are planning to build a successful career in data science, I invite you to attend our free demo session. During the demo, we'll explain the complete placement preparation process, the learning roadmap, and answer all your questions. We won't discuss fees in this video. You'll receive all the complete details during the demo session. Thank you, and I look forward to meeting you at Coding Masters.